How to use sensor to confirm the patrol route in Wuthering Waves. If you want to use sensor to confirm the patrol route in Wuthering Waves while you're playing the Wuthering Waves game, the normal thing to do is to hold down the tab key. So after you hold down the tab key, you'll basically find a menu over there. So under that menu, what you do is you select sensor. Then after that, once you've selected and equipped your sensor, to use that sensor, what you have to do is you just have to press the D key. So after you've done that, you will be able to confirm your patrol route using the sensor. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.